Blending modes. Well, really, these are a key skill to learn in Photoshop. Now in Photoshop 2019, it's just got that little bit simpler with the advent of Blending Mode Preview. Well, let's see how that works. Now if this is your first time with LiveLink training, please visit my website for loads more videos on Photoshop, Lightroom and photography. And please, don't forget, scroll right down to the bottom, and at the bottom of any page you'll see this little link here. Please click on it and it will give me a subscription to my YouTube channel. And this is really important to me to grow my Photoshop learning community. Thanks very much if you can. Let's get on with it. My name is Ken Fisher and this is LiveLink Training. So, Blending Mode Preview, what's that all about? Well, you've always been able to do this, but now it's just got a little bit simpler. So here we've got a photograph from a dog track shoot. So let's just say we want to colorize it a little bit. So we'll use a solid color adjustment layer. And doesn't matter what color it is, let's say we want a bluey color. Okay, so we'll click OK. And now what we've got is a blue adjustment layer at the top of the stack. And what I can do now is I can just click on where it says normal, and here are all the blending modes. Now in previous versions I used to have to go and click on it, or I could use the shift and down and up arrows to move through it. But now I don't have to actually accept a blend mode unless I find one I like. All I've got to do is move the mouse over it. So here I go, I've got my darken blend modes, my multiply, my linear burn, my darker colour, and then I've got all my light and blend modes. So I can go through and I can assess things without committing myself, so then I don't have to go back and undo things. Oh, I like the soft light one. Not the hard light. So overlay and soft light I think are pretty good. No, that's a bit weird, but I still like it. Difference, exclusion, subtract and divide, and then I've got hue and saturation and colour and then luminosity. I think most of them look okay, but I think I'm going to plump for soft light. There we go, that's it. New to Photoshop 2019 is the Blend Mode Preview mode. Give it a go. I think you'll find it saves you time and it gives your creative juices a little burst when you can see things without having to accept them. Okay, that's it. I'll see you in the very next video. Bye for now.